My name is Craig Tornow. I am a controller at Ferriot Incorporated. Our company is a custom injection molder with specialty resins in Akron, Ohio. We've been using DELMIAWorks for 10 years. Ferriot, it's our main product for all of our business, from beginning to end, from the sales order all the way to the actual shipping. So even the drawings that are coming in for a new product, we use that for tracking the project, as well as tracking the PPAP process to certify the actual product through the sales invoice from the customer. Now we're able to all put it into one system, one ERP system that allows us to make it cohesive so we can do everything from beginning to end, a lot more efficiency, communication. Everyone can see where the order stands or where the product stands or where the work order stands, where a project stands, where shipping is. We can see that all under one spot. I'm in the financial area, so we use a lot of the dashboards. So all our supervisors see them, as well as all of our business and executives. They're all seeing the same information. They know where a product stands. If there's issues, we can attack them from beginning to end. It's clarity. DELMIAWorks is great for us. You can jump all over the place, which I think is one of the best features. You can be in one module, jump to another module very easily. DELMIAWorks allows us to follow the whole process.